Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Thermaltake The Tower 500 Snow Edition. So a few years ago, I had a chance to take a look at the Tower 900 chassis from Thermaltake. It was a massive box-shaped tower that's suitable for enthusiasts and modders and things like that. You can really fit a lot of cooling components inside and it will make your system look really good. But for my liking, it was a bit too big and I wanted something smaller. And then they came out with the Tower 100, which is great for Mini-ITX builds. But I wanted something for a standard ATX motherboard. And now they have the Tower 500. So today we'll be looking at the Tower 500 Snow Edition, which is an all-white box-shaped chassis suitable for ATX motherboards and of course lots of cooling options too. We'll also be using this case for our next project build, so look out for that. So let's put all our components in and see how everything fits inside. And before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, so we have the Thermaltake Tower 500 chassis right here, and as you can see, it's a very nice chassis, has all the side panels, tempered glass, and it should fit most motherboards. In fact, it does look big, but if you look at this motherboard right here, this is the ASRock X670E, this is an E-ATX motherboard, and it should fit inside this chassis no problem. Alright, so we're going to be fitting a 360 all-in-one cooler on this side. Of course, the motherboard will sit on the back end there, and we have also the RTX 3090 to go in there as well. So it should fit all nicely inside. So we mounted the CPU water block onto the motherboard, and now we have the radiator with all the fans mounted as well. So we're going to be putting this in this chassis right here. It should fit a 360 all-in-one, and it comes with these brackets which you need to mount into the chassis so that the 360 all-in-one cooler can actually fit in there. So let's begin the build. Alright, so we fitted the motherboard inside the chassis, and now we're going to fit the 360 all-in-one cooler on the side. Alright, so as you can see, we fitted the Tough Liquid Ultra 360 all-in-one cooler right here with the 3 swash fans. Very nice. And you need these metal brackets that go with the chassis to actually mount this. You also can see the motherboard fitted in nicely. This is the ASRock X670E Taichi motherboard, suitable for all the Ryzen 7000 processors. And with the all-in-one cooler, you also have the LCD display right here, which will tell temperatures and things like that, which is quite nice. Okay, so we're going to fit the rest of the components in, including the graphics card, the RTX 3090, and we'll also put the power supply in, a 1000-watt power supply from Thermaltake. So let's complete the rest of the build. Alright, so now we completed the build, and what we have here is the Tough Liquid Ultra 360 all-in-one cooler. We also have an ASRock X670E Type C motherboard with a Ryzen 9 7900X processor. We also have the Tough RAM XG DDR5 6000 32GB kit, and of course with the graphics card we have the RTX 3090. And to power this up, we also have the Thermaltake Tough Power 1000 watt RGB power supply. One thing you notice about the chassis, the Tower 500, is that the motherboard orientation is flipped over. Normally the I/O ports would be facing kind of vertically, but this one is horizontal and all the ports are facing up. And you can access that by the pop-up kind of cover, and you can actually access all the I/O ports from this side. All right, the tempered glass is nice. And also you can actually flip them around on this side so you can see all your components. Very nice. So let's power this up and see how it performs, and we'll see you in a bit. Thermaltake The Tower 500 Snow Edition. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, smash that subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.